Hello everyone. Today while I was working, I came across a problem which is pretty common, and it is that although we have sometimes it happens that we have a particular program installed, but our system and the Windows is not able to locate it, and it causes a lot of frustration, right? For example, I was working with the PostgreSQL, and it was not able to identify it. It was not able to recognize it, right? And you can see we type where's PostgreSQL, and it says I didn't know anything about it. Although if you go to our C drive, and if you go to program files, and if we can see over here we have a PostgreSQL installed. Right, so if we go to the folder, we can see we have a bin folder, which seems good, and we'll see whether we have an exe file or not. And here we can see we have this important file which is exe. Right, so what we'll do is, for more options, we just copy, I will just copy it from here, and then we'll go to command line, and then we'll type psql.exe version. Right, so now see if you give it a full path to our this particular file, it is able to recognize it, right? The next what we'll see is we'll see whether if we ask what are the path that it is able to recognize in the what are the path that it is able to recognize. This will help us further know about the problem. Okay, so Windows is able to identify these things, right? It can identify PowerShell, we have our Docker, we have this reader, PDF, Python, right? And then everything is in VS Code is there, Azure is there, and Miniconda. Everything is there except what we're looking for, right? So now we are somewhat sure that this particular thing is not Windows doesn't see it. So then in that case, what we need to add the patch to the Windows manually. And for that, you go to run, and then you type this particular system sysdm.cpl. Okay, you go to advanced, go to environment variables, and you go to path over here. You go to edit, and then you paste the path of the bin folder that you copied. Right, you click OK, and you close all the terminals which are open, whether it's command line or the VS Code. You just close everything and then open it again, and now we'll see whether it is able to identify it now. Oh, here you go, right? So now you can see it is able to recognize it, and our issue has been resolved. And the same could happen with the Python as well, with the Miniconda as well, and the same strategy and the approach will work for those as well. So that's all for today. Thank you.